How do I create static sites with Nuxt.js? So creating static sites with Nuxt.js is really easy as we have a static site generator already built in. So with Nuxt.js, we can separate our code from our content with a full static module. What that means is when you only change your content, we don't have to rebuild your whole application. So if you change content in your API or in Markdown files in your content folder, for example, the build has already been cached, so we only have to rebuild the content. And this makes regeneration of content lightning fast. With Nuxt.js, we also have a crawler installed. So this will crawl your links and then basically create the dynamic routes for all those dynamic pages without you having to do that. And we also have a live preview. So you can live preview by adding a simple query in your URL, and you can then live preview those changes to your API before you actually deploy your application. Building static sites with Nuxt.js is just amazing.